there, didn't I? This is just an audio test here on Diverse FM 102.8. Up next, I'm going to play you a bit of Madonna with Girl Gone Wild. And I'd like to dedicate this to my good man, Jack, from our partners radio station, Jordingle FM, Liverpool's biggest hit music station.
It's so hypnotic, the way you pull on me, it's like the pulse of vanity right up under my feet. It's so erotic, this feeling can't be beat. It's coursing through my whole body, feel the heat. I got that burning hot desire, yeah. No one can put up my fire, yeah. It's coming right down to the wire, yeah. Here it comes, when I hear them 808 drums, it's got me singing,
Good old classic track there by Madonna, Girl Gone Wild, playing that for each and every one of our listeners tuned into the hottest station on the net. This is Diverse FM 102.8 in official partnership with the amazing Jordingle FM here on Spreaker.com. Up next, I'm going to play you a bit of dubstep with Move Like Jagger. It's 5 past midnight. Guys, we will be coming back on air very, very soon, so stay tuned. All information will be posted on the Diverse FM fan page on Facebook. Crazy bit of dubstep for you all this evening here on London's biggest underground station. This is Diverse FM 102.8 in partnership with Jordingle FM here on Spreaker.com. That was Move Like Jagger. Up next is a drum and bass track for you on this mini audio test. Here is a little bit of Babylon Zoo with Spaceman.
that EastEnders tune?
Yeah, man, yeah.
But you can't remix that.
Well, I bet.
Do it, 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 do it.
Ben cried himself to sleep last night, and you know why? Why? Brother, yes, his brother sold him down the river. That's why.
All I know is that my daughter's missing. Criminals and lowlives. All I know is that my daughter's missing. Criminals and lowlives.
Okay guys, that's it. I'm going to be cutting air now. I was just having a little bit of fun with you guys tonight, just mashing up a few beats, playing 10 seconds of one and then throwing in another track and then another track and then just bringing it back again, and you know, just having a muck around on the console really, as I'm not at work. Obviously I'm not at the studio. I was at the studio earlier sorting a few problems out, and then I went home and I just decided to have a muck around on the built-in console with a few tracks. Anyway, hopefully audio is all sounding good, including microphone and tuning.